Hey everybody, here's my entry for the hashtag Fall Barbecue Cook-Off. Going to give a shout out here to a new channel that I just found in the last couple of days. Guy's name is Chad. His channel is 9 to 5 to Life Off Grid. I'm going to leave a link down below on this video. Also a shout out to MB Heritage Farms for making the plaque, and to Ed over at Southern Life Homestead for coming up with the little cook-off. Here's my entry, guys. Check out the links below. Hopefully Chad up there can get entered into this thing, and everybody have fun at it. Thanks guys, enjoy. Alright guys, here's my entry for the hashtag Fall Barbecue Cook-Off. We're going to start this thing out with a couple of good sized potatoes, and basically just poke a bunch of holes in these with the fork. Wrap them up in foil and throw them on the fire for about an hour. So I'll get these going. Alright guys, what we're going to make up here is a little bit of marinade. What I have here is a Select Choice grass-fed USDA Angus ribeye, and we're going to wind up actually cutting this up. So let me make some marinade here, really simple. A little balsamic vinegar, Montreal steak seasoning, a little salt, I like a little extra garlic, a little bit of Creole, not a lot because there's only one piece of meat, and a little bit of, well, I guess we're out. Extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. In the fridge for about an hour. See the smoker out there smoking away. Here is our next ingredient. Be sure and get the thick cut bacon. There's my taters back here. Take them about an hour. We're going to be doing some fresh green beans. Got a little garlic, salt, pepper, some olive oil, a little bit of tomato sauce, and some cut up tomatoes. Fresh green beans. Alright guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to take one of our little meat chunks, and we're going to wrap it in a piece of this bacon. And that is not very thick sliced bacon. And I generally like to put a little toothpick down there to hold everything together. Okay guys, here's our finished pieces of meat. We're gonna throw these out on the grill and grill them up. Okay guys, I need you to reach down there right quick and hit your smell-o-vision button. Ah, yeah, breathe that in. Bacon, smoked meat. Oh yeah, looking good. Just about ready now. I like crunchy bacon, so I'll leave mine on there a little bit. Okay guys, here we go. Bacon wrapped ribeye, stuffed baked potatoes, fixings for baked potatoes. We got salad, we got green beans. So let me fix up a plate here for presentation. All right guys, here you go. Bacon wrapped ribeye, baked potato, salad, green beans. How is it, girls?
Daddy, make
Angelie?
Come on, Angie.
Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you can get little girls to eat anything, it's gotta be good.